Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version. Now this warning appears when you try to download any kinds of application on your Play Store. There are a couple of reasons that this option is showing up. One of the reasons is that your phone is outdated. The newer versions of the applications does not support on your phone. But if your phone is not outdated, you can try out a couple of fixes. Firstly, open up your settings and try to update your system. Mine is in About Phone, but yours could be different depending upon your device. If there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update your software of your phone. Now the second thing that you can do is you can head over to security status and you'll have an option of Google Play soft system update. If you don't see this option, you can directly search it on the search bar and you'll land up on this option. Now this is the Google Play system, and if this is not updated, it could also be causing that issue. Tap on that option and you can tap on check for update. Now mine is up to date, but if yours has an update, make sure you update your Google Play also. Now the last thing that you can try out is you can simply tap and hold the app of Play Store and head over to app info. From here you'll have an option of force stop on the left. You can tap on it and tap on OK. And you can also tap on uninstall updates, because sometimes updates also causes some kind of glitch in your system and may cause these issues. Now after you do these couple of steps, you should be able to easily download any kinds of application that you're looking for. If this video helped you out, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel while you're at it. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more educational videos similar to this.